Hello class and welcome to Multimedia Software ITE 170. So today we have homework number 7. Keep in mind that homework number 7 has two parts. We have part 1 and then we have part 2. This video will focus only on part 1. I will make sure to create a second video that will cover part number 2. In part number 1 for homework 7, we need to create a sitemap using the hierarchy chart. And we'll be using Microsoft Smart Art feature. So if you do not have Microsoft Office on your computer, you can easily go to office.vccs.edu. And then once you go to this page, you should be able to sign in using your MyNova credentials. And once you sign in, you should be able to install the whole entire Microsoft Office suite. So I'm assuming that you already have access to the office.vccs.edu from your ITE 115 or 119 class. So we basically go here and then you can install the software on multiple machines at your home computer. So this is outside of the scope of our class, but this is just to let you know how to get Microsoft Office. I will go ahead and go back to the assignment. So the assignment is asking you to create a sitemap for a website that we will be creating for homework number 7. And the company name is International Tours. So I will go ahead and take a look at the pages. We have a total of 6 pages: home, catalog, newsletter, and then we have tours. Tours page has 2 pages inside it. We have Italy and then we have Greece. So let's go ahead and open Microsoft Word and open a blank document. I'm using my Mac computer right now, and the instructions should be very similar if you are using Windows machine. You will basically go to Insert, and then you will see the Smart Art icon. You click on it. We will need to use the hierarchy, right? And then we will be using this option here, organization chart. This is the one that we will be using to create our sitemap for homework number 7. So again, the name of the whole entire sitemap is called International Tours. Once I finish this part, for the second text, when I go to it here, I need to click on this one, right? And then press delete. We don't need the one on the side, right? So you go to the text below International Tours, and then you double click. If I look at the first page, it's called Home. So I'll go ahead and create a home. Let me go back here and then type the name of the page. I'll go to the second page. The second page is called Catalog. And then the third one is called Newsletter. Once I reach the end, I press enter. When I press enter, it will give me the fourth page for my sitemap. And this page is going to be called Tours. Once I reach the end of Tours, I will press enter. So right now it will give me a page at the same level. That's not what I need. The pages inside Tours will be hosted inside the page Tours. So those are sub-pages. To convert this page to a sub-page, you press tab. And then you type Italy. And then once you press enter, it will give you a second sub-page, and that is Greece. And now I'm done with the sitemap. So I will go ahead. If I would like to change this sitemap to give it a different color, I can go to colors here and choose a color I would like. So this is, if you look at this one here, it is better than the first one. I can go to the design or the style and then maybe add a little bit of 3 effect into my sitemap. And that's basically all what I'm asking you to do. So now, how do I save this page as PDF? If you go to File and then Save As, once you go to Save As here, You can save it anywhere you want, but the file format, make sure that you save it as PDF file. If I choose PDF file from here and then click inside the field that says save as name, I will call that HW4P1. So homework number, actually it's HW7P1. So that is homework number 7, part number 1. And I will save it anywhere I want, but make sure you keep track where you save your file. And then I will go ahead and click on export. So right now I should have a file on my computer. If I minimize this page and then go back to my desktop where I saved the file, as you can see here, I have a PDF file. If I double click on this PDF file, it has the sitemap. You see how easy to create a sitemap. That's all what I need for part number 1. So now how do you submit this to Canvas? First, you need to take this PDF file and put it inside my drive. So I will go ahead and go to the My Drive site, mydrive.nvcc.edu. And once I go to My Drive, you need to sign in using your My Drive credentials. And then once you are in, you click on Home, you click on Public, and then you need to click on Create New Folder. Once you click on New Folder, you name that folder HW7, right? And then you click on Create. I already created the folder, and that is HW7. If I go to HW7, I need to add a file. I'll click on Add Files. I will go to the desktop, choose this file, and then I will go ahead and click on Choose. So right now, the file is not uploaded yet. I need to click on Start, and now the file is there. How do I get a URL to submit this URL to Canvas? You need to click on My Web Route. Once you click on My Web Route, this is your URL here. So right now I need to go to a specific location, which is HW7. If you don't have an index file inside the public folder, you should be able to see all of the folder structure that you have. You click on homework number 7. So when I click on homework number 7 here is where is the PDF file located. So some of you may just give me the URL as you can see in here, or if you want me to go directly to the file, you type the name of the file. So the file name, it's here. I will just copy it from here and then go to this URL, paste that name to make sure I don't make any mistakes. And then you copy this whole entire URL, right? Control C, and then you go to Canvas and upload this URL as your submission for homework number 7, part 1. And that is it for the first part. I will make sure to create a second video to explain how to create the navigation for the website, and hopefully that will be coming very soon. So stay tuned, everyone, and I hope you are having a good time learning remotely. Thank you, and I will see you in the next lecture.